Can today's strength continue? We've got some incredibly important data coming next week, along with some important earnings, and I think that might answer the question. But we start Monday with the most anticipated quarter we've seen in ages, and that is for Nike. Yeah, which is a barometer for just about everything going from raw costs and supply chain issues to potential worries in both China and Europe. Almost every single brokerage firm has cut its price target for Nike going in the quarter. They're fretting about the sluggishness in China. You know what the good news is here? When everyone knows about weakness and you get weakness, it's already baked into the stock and it goes higher unless the numbers are truly catastrophic. With a great executive like John Donahoe at the helm, he's been a lot of places, but he was at ServiceNow. I think investors will look through Nike's Chinese weakness and buy this thing. Now, here's one that I potentially really haven't flagged enough at all, and that's just been my bad. Because it's become mission critical, and that's the Case-Shiller index, the price index, which we're actually going to move over here because it's cooler. It's one of the chief culprits of inflation, which has been an astonishingly high cost of housing. We need to see some signs that even if housing prices aren't coming down, that they aren't going up as rapidly as they were, thanks to the Fed's aggressive rate hikes, and of course, maybe even more important, the Fed's nonstop negative downbeat view, which makes you feel like, holy cow, I'd be a moron to buy a house. Now, we've seen a ton of raw costs that go into housing come down. Well, home prices come down with them. Or is this just a windfall for the home builders? Well, that's the impression I got from Lennar and KB Home earlier this week. They're keeping the windfall. As long as demand is this strong, why shouldn't they? Also on Tuesday, we hear from Aero Environment. Now, this is a drone company. I've been able to use one of their drones. I want to know if the U.S. government has ordered more of these drones to help Ukraine fight off the Russians. I know our government hasn't ordered nearly enough anti-tank missiles from Raytheon. Maybe the long-range drones are more effective? I don't think so, but I hope we get a chance to ask them.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.